We had a kid even before we got married.
देख ले पहले बाल अच्छा है, मेकअप अच्छा है, आग अच्छा है, ड्रेस अच्छा है.
Smile. Be happy.
चौथी बार कर रहे क्या अभी हैप्पी?
Hi everyone.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to another Q&A. The last one that we posted was like 9 months ago after we had gotten married.
Yeah.
And this one you're gonna see on our 1 year wedding anniversary.
Yes, you guys have been with us from the start and we felt कि it's a 1 year anniversary. So let's just sit down, talk to you guys. We asked you guys a lot of questions. I think we'll just be answering them.
Catch up session
Catch up
almost.
session.
If you're someone who's new to the family, we'll leave a playlist niche so that you can catch up with our story and how it all happened. Maybe watch our wedding videos as well. So yeah, having said that, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so let's start with a wedding question only. We got married in Rishikesh, for everyone who doesn't know. So if not Rishikesh, if you could...
Pick some other location. What would you?
yeah.
Don't know. Maybe Varanasi. I think because pretty similar to Rishikesh.
Okay.
The vibe and everything. So maybe Varanasi.
ये मेरे लिए भी नया आंसर है, मुझे नहीं
हाँ
पता था.
मतलब ये होता है एंड अगर मे बी अपना अगर वाइब ही अलग करना रहता है इंटरनेशनल करना रहता है तो मे बी थाईलैंड में करते हैं.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same.
हाँ, वो भी एक मतलब वो अलग वाइब होता है बट
Yeah.
अल्टरनेट रियलिटी में भी
Honestly, I wouldn't change it
Of course.
at all.
100%.
But if I had to only, then maybe, yeah, I agree. Like Thailand or like Italy.
Italy at the Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma.
Okay, who's your one favorite family member from your new family? You can't say the one that I'm thinking about.
क्यों?
ये फंस गया सीएम.
He was gonna say
Of
Kashish.
course.
Because she was your favorite पहले से.
तो अभी भी वो
कुछ अभी
है.
अलग, शादी के बाद कुछ अलग.
विशाल. Other than parents, तो anytime all
No,
time.
you have to say
Parents all
from
time
the
favorite है.
parents.
Parents favorite ही है उसका तो that is a given.
So
But
diplomatic,
विशाल.
Adis.
अरे भाई है
अभी
तो है.
वैसे तो then I'll say Adu, but then no, I won't be like you and say the same answer. I'll say I. Yeah, like I have obviously, since we live together, I feel like we've gotten closer
Yeah.
and I've gotten to know her more and the person that she is. So I think she is my new favorite.
But मेरा आंसर कशिश था पहला.
What would you do differently if you could remarry? It's kind of similar to the location wala question.
हाँ डिफरेंटली तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. आई हैव नो रिग्रेट्स अबाउट द होल थिंग. कुछ भी हुआ आई डोंट रिग्रेट एनी ऑफ इट. आई लव्ड एवरी मोमेंट. मजा है.
तो होगा यार, बता.
तू बता ना.
मतलब अगेन आई एग्री +1 आदित्य ने
हाँ.
जो बोला, बट इफ आई हैव टू पिक, थोड़ा सा ऐसा वेन आंसर है, बट आई वुड जस्ट गेट दैट डैम लहंगा.
या
So if you've seen my whole lehenga story of like me explaining what I wore, and I love, by the way, the lehenga that I wore in terms of like the color and the work and all of it, I would do the same thing, but a specific one that I've wanted.
लाइक ऑफ अ डिफरेंट डिजाइनर मे बी.
Yeah. I'm not gonna reveal that because I hope to get it one day. but मैं पहनूंगी कहाँ पता नहीं.
ये क्या है भाई. मेरा अगर ऐसा है कुछ कर सकता तो आई वुड मे बी टाइम एवरीथिंग अ लिटिल बिट मोर बेटर कि बारात को थोड़ा और ज्यादा टाइम मिलता. आई थॉट द बारात वाज थोड़ा शॉर्ट. मतलब
Okay.
कुछ 1.5 आवर जितना ही था.
सिर्फ 1.5
मतलब
hours.
हाँ मतलब थोड़ा वो शॉर्ट था तो थोड़ा अगर वो और खींचता तो थोड़ा मजा था. तो सब नाच रहे थे. आई थिंक वन थिंग दैट यू कैन से इज ऑन द सेकेंड नाइट जो आफ्टर पार्टी हुआ वो मिस किया था तूने बिकॉज शी हैड टू गेट अप रियली अर्ली.
No, I don't regret it. I am so glad I didn't go to the after party in the sense that I had to sleep. I was
You were
exhausted.
exhausted.
हल्दी थी वो दिन और फिर उसके बाद संगीत था.
हाँ
It
उसके
was
पहले
a-
वाले नाइट ऑल्सो वी हैड नॉट स्लेप्ट.
Slept. It
नाच रहे थे
was-
कितना लेट था.
And the next morning was शादी. I needed to rest. क्योंकि
हाँ.
उसके बाद शादी के रात भी हमने मस्त आफ्टर पार्टी की थी.
काफी.
So it's okay. Okay, थोड़े ऐसे serious questions करते हैं, ठीक है? Do you guys think marriage takes away freedom?
नो नॉट एट ऑल. मतलब
Bought us more freedom. I
या
think,
आई
almost.
मीन ज्यादा फ्रीडम लग रहा है अभी कंपैरेटिवली.
Not that our parents were ever like restrictive.
या बट ऐसा कोई भी लाइक फ्रीडम टेकन अवे मोमेंट तो एक भी बार ऐसा कुछ लगा नहीं.
Yeah, not really. Yeah, so the answer is no, at least for
Yeah.
us personally. Which is one or multiple things or habits that you have picked up from each other in the past 1 year?
I think one important habit you can say that I've picked from her is कि once I wake up, what I used to do पहले was I used to wake up, I used to brush my teeth, freshen up, and then go out, have breakfast, and then come and have a bath.
No, have breakfast. He'll start doing emails. He'll start doing calls.
ब्रेकफास्ट के
तो
टाइम पे
मतलब
थोड़ा
by the time lunch होता था
हाँ लंच के थोड़ा पहले आई वुड गो फॉर अ बात ठीक है घर पे ही था यार मुझे
work from home ही था.
हाँ बट अभी आफ्टर मैरिज ऐसा ये हो गया है कि ब्रशिंग नहाना फ्रेशन अप होना फ्रेशन अप इज अ वर्ड फॉर पूप बट वो होना एंड देन एक ही बार आई स्टेप आउट ऑफ द रूम ब्रेकफास्ट करके फिर काम पे बैठ जाता विच इज आई थिंक अ गुड हैबिट तो दैट इज वन थिंग दैट आई पिक्ड अप
Yeah. From Aditya, again, a good habit only is that brushing my teeth every night. Aditya is so punctual. Punctual is so particular about brushing his teeth at night. It's like me, like I will never sleep without removing my makeup. Aditya will never sleep without brushing his teeth. कुछ भी हो जाए. He will
4
brush
5
his
कितना
teeth.
भी बजे
हाँ,
I will.
कितने भी बजे. So I think that, of course, I still don't do it every night. I miss it a lot of times, but it's better than what it used to be before.
आई थिंक इवन लाइक यू मेंशन रात का स्किन केयर काइंड ऑफ जो चीज रहता है थोड़ा बहुत जब भी याद रहता है तो आई आल्सो
Yeah.
डू दैट
Yeah. What are the most married couple things that you guys do?
मे बी रात को साथ में स्किन केयर करते हैं मतलब फ्रेशन अप
साथ
होते हैं
में, हाँ, साथ में we get unready.
हाँ फॉर द नाइट एंड देन साथ में बेड में आके
Scroll reels.
साथ में रील्स देखने का
That's a very modern married
हाँ.
couple life, maybe.
आई थिंक
I don't know if that counts. Does it?
मतलब आई डोंट नो व्हाट एल्स डू यू
In the morning, brushing together.
हाँ ब्रशिंग टुगेदर दैट इज इट वो एक जन पूप कर एक जन ब्रश कर नहीं है
हाँ, वो हम नहीं, वो लाइन हम अभी तक क्रॉस कर नहीं पाए. If you had to describe your marriage in emojis, what would it be?
आई विल पॉप देम ऑन द स्क्रीन
What is it? Tell me.
आई विल मैसेज द एडिटर
आदित्य गंदे गंदे emojis
अरे
नहीं
गंदा
डालने.
ये गंदा नहीं है
So we have the fire emoji, the happy emoji, the plain emoji, okay? Red heart emoji. मेरा चल रहा है.
हाँ तो मैं तेरे लिए सजेशन दे रहा था एक सेकंड
एक सेकंड. Mine is this one.
ये क्या है
मतलब ऐसे like healing vibes. Then this one, like friendship, like time pass.
Crazy.
Yeah. Sunflower, because obviously.
That's a good one.
World, because obviously.
Obvious? No, it's not obvious. There can be two interpretations of the word. Are you indicating travel or that I'm your world?
Whatever you want to interpret. And the sun. Do you have a couple rule or an unspoken agreement amongst the two of you? I think we have one, but it's like very cliche. I'm sure you've heard of it before. Is that to sort out the fight before going to bed?
हाँ मतलब not to go to bed angry.
Yeah, but that we've been doing for years. We heard it. We heard someone saying it, so we've been doing it ever since. I think 99% of the time we do it.
100% of the time.
100 almost.
Kabhi
Actually,
नहीं
that is so true. I would recommend that tip to anyone who's getting married.
Yeah.
Okay, a lot of people wanted to see this. Can we see some pictures from your reception? Sure. So by the way, हमें बहुत बार पूछते हैं कि रिसेप्शन का व्लॉग क्यों नहीं किया या whatever, कुछ प्रॉपर्ली डॉक्यूमेंट क्यों नहीं हुआ. बेसिकली मुझे मेरे पीरियड्स आ गए थे मेरे रिसेप्शन के दिन. सो बेसिकली मुझे एक्चुअली आने वाले थे मेरे शादी के दिन. लाइक वो डेट था अराउंड दैट टाइम. आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट डिडंट हैपन.
भाई.
And it got moved to the reception. Of course, I was miserable during the reception. So, ज़्यादा pictures या videos कुछ भी नहीं है because I was just not in the state of mind. I really wanted to like do that Maharashtrian look also. I did nothing, guys. I literally straightened my hair for the reception, and when I couldn't even get my hair done. I remember Ami had come over, okay, and I was crying. I was like on the bed, and I was like, "Bro, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना." And she was like, "No, come here. Let me at least straighten your hair for you."
Yeah.
So I was like, "Okay, do it." What has been your best moment post marriage? So like in the last 1 year, what would you say if you had to like highlight it? What would it be?
I think our honeymoon.
I was gonna say the same thing. You stole my answer. But like specifically, 1, 2, 3. New York.
100%. So that is one highlight. And उसके बाद भी बहुत travels है. All of them were like हाँ honeymoon only. वो पूरा सब कोरिया, क्रूज, अटलांटिस सब ऐसे हनीमून में काउंट कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, बट हमारा
टॉप वाज एक्चुअल हनीमून.
क्योंकि हमारी तब शादी खत्म हुई थी. I mean, we were done with our wedding functions and all of that. And then within 10-15 days, right, we left for our honeymoon, which was USA. And it was epic.
Yeah,
We
because
vlogged
like I
it
said,
also.
because that was the actual honeymoon. बाकी सब में तो बहुत ही मजा आया, but ये honeymoon था वो, बाकी सब
Correct.
हमारे लिए honeymoon.
And we also fell in love
Yeah,
with New York.
It's amazing. So
The next question is kind of related. Okay. So where are you guys going for your anniversary trip? So we were this close
two.
to going to New York. हमने almost pact बना दिया था कि हर अप्रैल हम न्यूयॉर्क जाएंगे. But we decided कि नहीं, कहीं और जाते हैं, कोई नई जगह जाते
बहुत
हैं.
बाकी है अभी countries explore करना, तो
So by the time you watch this video, you already know where we are. We
Yeah.
are in Japan. We're probably even back by the time you watch this video. But that was not the initial plan, okay? So we were supposed to go somewhere else.
जो थोड़ा लीगल नहीं, फॉर्मेलिटीज की वजह से थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो गया, लीगैलिटीज एंड फॉर्मेलिटीज,
Yeah.
तो इसके लिए वो कैंसिल हो गया.
Yeah.
एंड देन वी
But we hope to go there maybe this year. Let's see.
Hopefully.
इसके लिए हम अभी reveal नहीं कर रहे. Maybe hopefully this year हो जाए. We really wanted to go, but it's okay. I'm hoping.
Yeah, even we're looking forward to Japan as well. Japan was also
Yeah.
on our list for this year. It just बाद में था, थोड़ा अभी
हो
खींच
गया.
लिया. Also, if you don't know that हम जापान में थे, तो please subscribe and follow.
On Instagram. Aditya, this question is for you. Are you planning to get a pet?
No guys, अभी के लिए तो ऐसा कोई भी प्लान नहीं है. Then we are not getting a pet anytime soon. अभी नहीं है.
Anytime soon, I agree. I
हाँ,
agree with
like,
that. But
we're not at that stage as of now. कभी रहेंगे आगे तो लगेगा लेके आ जाएंगे, but anytime soon तो नहीं है.
anytime soon, I agree. Because we really want to be able to travel. And it's not like you can't travel if you have a pet.
मतलब if we are sure कि ये हो जाएगा at that stage है कि हम लोग को ओके, but अभी हमारा travels भी काफी frequency पे है.
Yeah.
तो we don't want to get a pet and then not give them that time and attention.
And not be able to enjoy their puppy stage. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So maybe in the future.
Whenever we feel we are
In
ready.
the future for sure. Maybe nahi. In the future for sure. But not anytime soon. आदित्य by the way कितना खराब है उसके पास ऑलरेडी पपी डॉग सब हो चुका है. मैंने कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया लाइफ में. By the way, the reason why he's a little bit apprehensive is because he's been heartbroken once.
My dog passed away in 2016.
Yeah.
So I know what it feels like. It's a really soul crushing moment for you, and
Yeah.
I don't want her to go through that because she also gets very attached. So मतलब I'm on the fence here क्योंकि वो love is unparalleled to anything you experience. But then there will be a moment that comes sometime or the other. तो इसके लिए I'm still on the fence. And apart from that, जो भी time का हमने बोला, so
Anyway,
सोचेंगे कभी.
lighter note. What was better, dating or marriage?
Both of them have their pros and cons, of course. I would personally say marriage. मुझे marriage ज़्यादा better लग रहा है because of the fact that you spend all the time together.
Yeah.
मतलब वो मुझे तो बहुत personally अच्छा लग रहा है. It's fun for me. Of course, dating had its own fun. बाहर ज़्यादा जाना होता था, बहुत मिलते थे, movies जाते थे, dates पे जाते थे, घूमने जाते थे and all of that. वो थोड़ा I think कम हो गया, but because of our lifestyle, अभी marriage के बाद भी कर सकते हो. But I feel marriage is more fun
Okay.
than dating.
So I would also honestly pick marriage, but I only feel like marriage मुझे नहीं pick करना है because I feel like the dating phase had its youthfulness.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I'm getting
cute
old now.
charm है.
Yeah, like little bit more carefree, little bit more like I don't know, like
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean,
I
right?
do.
Love the marriage phase. Honestly, love it. The fact that I get to like wake up next to him and then we go to sleep together.
Yeah.
We watch reels साथ में in bed. Like it's fun. So if I had to pick, I would say marriage.
मतलब इधर है दोनों ऐसा.
थोड़े controversial questions करें अब.
बच्चा ही क्या है अभी करो.
Is your studio a way for you two to stay away from your in-laws/parents?
Not at all.
Yeah, I don't think so. In fact, it's been how many? August से September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It's been 8-ish
8 to 9 months yeah, अभी.
since we have this studio and we've been talking about how we want to stay over and do like a
Yeah.
sleepover here. 8 महीनों से not once has it happened. We purely come here to work,
Work.
or to chill with our friends.
Yeah.
Like it's our little hanging out spot. But I don't think in any way it's an escape. Yeah,
To stay away from
away. Yeah, like our parents, both of our parents are very
chill. तो हमें घर पे भी कुछ
yeah,
ऐसा
and they give us a lot of space. Genuinely, like
Yeah.
both of our parents, we don't feel the need to like come here and escape. Maybe from each other.
Oh no. वो मुझे मालूम नहीं.
I'm kidding.
I still don't have a room in this studio, you know. So
It's getting ready. It's almost ready. Okay, one more, like a very cliche question. What do you love, hate, tolerate about each other?
see, generally hate तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Like there is nothing that I hate about you.
Yeah.
Tolerate तो of course थोड़ी बहुत चीजें होती है. जैसे कि टॉवेल बेड पे ही छोड़ देना.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Shut up, it's like barely sometimes.
कभी कभार वो होता है तो करते टॉलरेट.
Yeah, I do that. I used to never do that. I've formed like these random weird bad habits.
गुड हैबिट्स पूछे थे ना, बैड हैबिट्स से बोलते हैं. मेरे ऊपर मत आना बेटा.
No, Aditya is very like proper in that
हाँ.
sense. Like he doesn't do stuff like that.
टॉलरेट और क्या है? टॉलरेट और
बस एक ही बताना था.
non-responsiveness in communication.
Text.
Yeah, she doesn't
I'm a
communicate
very bad
properly.
texter.
We tolerate करते ही है वो.
सब tolerate करते हैं मेरे लाइफ में.
सब लिटरली सबका वही कंप्लेंट है. लव तो बहुत कुछ है. जस्ट मतलब स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद हर इज समथिंग दैट आई लव. मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग जाता है. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन.
प्यारी समझ गई.
Okay, I'll take that as an answer, I guess.
आई लव हर कुकिंग. That is also amazing.
What I love about Aditya, again, obviously, so many things to love. I love how funny he is. He's so funny. Like, I feel like you guys think that he's funny on camera, but you need to see him in real life. Oh my God. Like, I'm always just like laughing when I'm around him. So that. And then I also love how smart he is. Like, he'll never not have an answer to any kind of question that I have. Like, कुछ भी, कोई भी aspect के बारे में पूछ लो, he'll always have an answer. And then tolerate would be just annoying you are sometimes. I don't know how to say it.
You
Like
need to give
sometimes you're just annoying.
ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. पागल थोड़ी ना ऐसे annoying होने को.
Aditya का punctualness can improve.
ठीक है. That I'll take that. मैं इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम जो थोड़ा
Indian-
रहता है 10 मिनट ऊपर नीचे चलता है, वो attitude में
बिल्कुल भी
रखता हूँ.
नहीं, मुझे वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं चलता. And
तुझे-
it like
हाँ.
triggers me. If you had to give your chemistry a score, what do you think it would be?
10000000001.
Yeah, I think I agree. Like in
Yeah.
terms of like our friendship वाला vibe, उसको तो 100 for sure.
परफेक्ट है. जितना नंबर ज्यादा दे सकते हैं हाईएस्ट उतना.
ये actually दूसरे लोग को आंसर करना चाहिए
हाँ.
हमारे लिए. Okay, what is the story behind the teddy? हमने ये पहले भी कहीं तो बोला है.
आंसर.
I think broadcast पे किया है आंसर. Anyway,
कोई तो कहीं तो
so
क्या ब्रॉडकास्ट
basically-
ज्वाइन कर लो. ब्रॉडकास्ट में बहुत चालू रहता टाइम.
हाँ, बहुत टाइम पास होता है. So basically, you might have seen that there's like always a cute caramel colored teddy. His name is Caramel.
और इन अ गुजू एक्सेंट केरामेल.
Caramel. Okay. So basically, he's been with us since
23.
a few years actually.
23.
Yeah, a few years.
जुलाई अगस्त 23.
हम गए थे थाईलैंड और जो होटल में हम रुके थे वहां पे एक टेडी बेयर रखा था. And we just decided, oh no. And then that night, I slept with the teddy bear and I had the best sleep ever. Like, I cannot explain it, okay?
उनका 30th एनिवर्सरी का टेडी
टेडी था वो, ठीक है. फिर मैंने आदित्य को बोला, ब्रो नेक्स्ट रात तू इसके साथ सो के देख, ठीक है. लाइक होल्ड हिम, लाइक कडल हिम, व्हाटएवर. एंड देन सेम एक्सपीरियंस.
बहुत कंफर्टेबल.
So we just brought him home. We were supposed to bring him
हाँ हाँ.
home.
They
It
had
was
given
for
it.
us.
हाँ.
And yeah, ever since he's been with us, he was
Yeah.
at our wedding.
Yeah.
He
In
had
his
his
outfits.
own outfits for the wedding. It's just a very silly, cute little thing that has stuck around. He
Yeah.
comes with us on all of our vacations.
Our parents also call him as kid. मतलब तुम्हारा बच्चा, तुम्हारा उनका पोता and हमारा बच्चा, ऐसे ट्रीट करते
Yeah,
हैं.
it's like a very like time pass cute
Yeah.
thing that we do.
He turns 2 this July, August.
I don't know.
हाँ. Great parents.
We had a kid even before we got married. Do your in-laws have any problem with what you wear? Have you ever faced any difficulty involving them? I'm not going to answer this question because I'm going to answer it with this picture. Do you know what picture I'm talking about?
I figured.
Yeah, so I mean, they're very, very, very chill. I think probably because they also have a daughter. So they've never really had any restrictions on what she wears.
Yeah.
So I think it just is the same for me. So yeah, personally, no such issue with me personally.
Yeah, and her dad and I तो share clothes, तो हमारा भी कुछ restrictions नहीं होता है.
आदित्य को भी कोई restrictions नहीं है मेरे parents की तरफ
Yeah,
से.
मैं तो shorts में घूमता हूँ ना.
Why don't you wear a मंगलसूत्र and सिंदूर every day? ये question, oh my god, मुझे इतने questions आते हैं इसके बारे में. What do you have to say about it?
Why don't you wear it? यार.
So the thing
Function
is
था.
that sindoor is not a very big thing in Gujaratis and also Maharashtrians,
Yeah.
or at least in our family, let's just say that. I know it's a very big thing in like North India,
Yeah.
but it's not something that I've seen my family wearing.
Yeah.
In fact, I've never seen your mom also
Same.
wearing sindoor. So
सिंदूर
it's not
का
a big
नहीं
thing.
इतना.
And Mangal Sutra का भी honestly same thing है. My nani has never worn one. My mom has never like really worn one. So
नहीं,
I
हमारे
wear
मंगल-
it.
हाँ, हमारे में मंगलसूत्र
मंगलसूत्र
पहनते
पहनते
हैं.
हैं, correct. But
But,
I
yeah.
also wear it, but when I feel like it.
True.
है ना, मतलब I think it's very cute. In fact, my Mangalsutra is very, very cute. It's a sunflower. We got it custom made. So I really love the Mangalsutra, but I only wear it when I feel like it. Like,
It's like a personal choice.
हाँ.
ठीक है, बराबर है.
Yeah, so like, please stop asking me this question. Of course, we have to end the video with this question. When are you planning to have kids? How many? Any preference in gender?
क्या है kids कर शादी पहले तो शादी
लिटरली हमारी जैसे शादी हुई हमारे कमेंट्स इमीडिएटली बच्चों पे आ गए. बोलो, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दिस?
क्या चल रहा है, क्या है, क्यों है, बहुत टाइम है बच्चे करने को, हमें
Agreed.
अभी नहीं करने हैं बच्चे. वी आर नॉट इन दैट फेज ऑफ आवर लाइफ येट. व्हेन वी फील अगेन कि हमें जब भी लगेगा कि हम वो फेज ऑफ लाइफ में है, वी आर इन दैट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड, विल गो फॉर इट.
Yeah.
बट इट्स नॉट एनी टाइम सून.
We're
कोई ऐसा
both
प्लान नहीं है.
27 right now, and of
Yeah.
course there's no right or wrong age to have kids or anything, but
Yeah.
it's not the right time for us right now. We're usually such big planners, and this is something that we haven't really even
Yeah,
discussed.
because it's not a small thing. It's not like planning कि ऐसा छोटा मोटा चीज है order. It's a lifelong thing.
Yeah.
So आराम से जब भी वो लगेगा हमें maturity है, हमें वो mentality है, हम तभी प्लान करेंगे. तो please
And you
stop.
guys will know, don't
Exactly.
worry.
तो please stop asking.
Yeah, please stop.
हमें
बस हो गया अभी.
टाइम है, इतना अभी बोल रहे हैं कि टाइम है. एंड फॉर द जेंडर थिंग आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा कुछ है कि हमें लड़का ही चाहिए लड़की ही चाहिए.
बिल्कुल
जो
ऐसा
है
कुछ नहीं है.
भगवान का प्लान है, भगवान की मर्जी है, हम खुश है. अच्छा हो, खुश हो, हेल्दी हो.
एक और है, what if you get pregnant accidentally?
तो फिर अगेन व्हाट आई सेड, जो है भगवान की मर्जी है, मान लेंगे. जब तक खुश है, हेल्दी है, कर लेंगे. एक्सीडेंटली का क्या ही बोल सकता है, बट प्लानिंग तो नहीं है.
Awkward. And just like that, we've come towards the end of today's video. We really hope you guys enjoyed watching.
Yes, I don't feel it's been 1 year.
Yeah.
क्योंकि time has just flown by.
It really has. And also, we want to say a big thank you to you guys
course.
for being a part of our journey ever since we got proposed to. I mean, I got proposed to,
Then
I
I got
proposed
proposed to.
Aditya, then we got married, then
And-
all of our travels,
Yes,
and now.
1 year wedding anniversary. So,
So,
thank you.
yeah, thank you so much for being a part of this family. We've really been enjoying creating content for you guys, and we have big plans for this channel. So stick around. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel
Yes,
also.
so close to 1 million.
Yeah, that's it. We'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.